glasses. Throw the cash, me and my family, so yeah. I got money, I throw wazoo, wazoo. I got money, I throw wazoo. And my family really wazoo, wazoo, really, really wazoo. Yeah, I got money, I throw wazoo. All this money stuffed up in my pockets. That means you can't ignore me when I'm talking. Dancing diamonds in my mouth, kick you upside your head, yeah. All this cash up on me, make them do what Simon says, yeah. Imported hippies, doing linguistics, yeah, it's bilingual. I'm wearing your Amazon wish list. Yeah, my time is expensive, counting all the days and seconds, charging water on this necklace.
I do better things with my time than trying to make you jealous. Why can't we move on with our life? You say that I go out to get you off my mind. We've been done for a while now, and honestly, I'm fine. It's not a game that you are losing, but I'm with someone else and I'm not missing us. If I can't live without you, sue me.
Ryan Little.
What?
Sunsets and night, stay here tonight. Won't fall again, but is this the end?
And I hate myself even more than your father does. Midnight motel, I'm holding on to forgotten us.
Tell me what you want, like I know your friends never like me, but it's alright. You can stay with me, come and spend the night. I know you know the way to my house and the code to my Wi-Fi. Lock the front door and we bumpin' Mr. Brightside. Bought some new lights, we can rave like last time. Got a nice view, you can see the whole skyline. Nightlife, party in the dark till sunrise. Midnight motel, left the lights on and I wish you well. Bloodstained walls, but I can't even tell. Run away now and just save yourself. One night, oh well, might as well try it, cause something is biting and telling me to go to the midnight motel. To the midnight motel.